The police are investigating the murder of a Papine High student today. Investigators believe he was robbed and murdered as his phone cannot be accounted for. Kirk Wright has the details.
3 days into the week and another school is in mourning after a student was murdered. 16-year-old Canute Williams, a grade 10 student of Papine High, was attacked sometime after 11 a.m. while he was walking along Ligani Avenue.
We are hearing that he was on his way to school. He lives in the Jackson area. He was walking to school. And I'm understanding that a motorist was passing on the Ligani Avenue, saw him on the ground. When they went over, he was unresponsive, and they took him to the hospital.
The police say the student, who is a resident of Casher Ridge in Jackshill, was attacked by someone who attempted to rob him of his cellular phone, and this led to a struggle. The boy was shot by the robber, who ran into the direction of Sandy Gully and made his escape. The principal described Canute as helpful, well-loved, and above all, committed to his schoolwork.
Yesterday we had a football match here, and we allowed the students to go for the match. And he alone went to the technical drawing room with his teacher, diligently working on his project in technical drawing, and that is the type of student he is.
Today, the Minister of Education, who is overseas, called and offered words of consolation to his classmate.
We will continue to pray for all our children, all our students across Jamaica, and know that I am with you. I'm in support of you in school, and we stand in mourning with you as well. And as I said earlier, we will reach out to the family as well to let them know that we are saddened, we are angry, we are upset by this.
On Tuesday, grief counselors were also called to the William Knibb High School in Trelawney. This after a deadly fight by two grade 10 students. The student implicated in that matter will face the courts on Friday. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.